Hello guys, so Apple is one of the biggest tech companies in the world right now, alongside companies like Facebook, Google, just to mention a few. And in the past 40 years, Apple has produced a lot of cool, groundbreaking products. That is iPods, iPads, iPhones, MacBooks. And you're probably watching this video on an Apple gadget. But have you ever wondered why you have never seen an Apple smart TV? So in this video, we're going to look at the reasons why Apple is not making any smart TV sets. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, make sure to go down there and click on subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our cool content. So the main reason why Apple is not making any smart TV is because of the product life cycle. All right, let me explain. So a product life cycle is the term that you take before you replace or upgrade a gadget. So if you look at most Apple products, you tend to see that the life cycle of all their products are very short. For example, if you look at iPhone users, they usually replace their iPhones or upgrade their iPhones yearly. So Apple's business plan is based on that, because you tend to make more profit, you tend to make more money if people are coming back to upgrade their gadgets yearly or in a very short period of time. So if you look at TV sets now, okay, let me ask you a question. The TV set that you're using right now, when did you buy it? And when are you planning to replace it? So you see that we often replace our TV sets if it's faulty, or maybe there's a new technology that is better than the one that we have. And that usually happens in maybe after 10 years or so. So from Apple's point of view, you see that it won't be profitable for them to make a product that will only be replaced after 10 years. This is one of the main reasons why Apple won't make any smart TV sets in the near future. So what they did instead is making an Apple TV box that can work with any TV. So that way they'll be able to make a lot of money out of it. And with the box, it will be very easy for them to be unique on the software part, so as to stand out on the market. Apart from product lifecycle, profit margins is also another big factor that is causing Apple not to make any smart TV sets. So you see that in mobile gadgets and computers, the profit margins are usually from 25% up to 40%, and Apple usually gets a margin of about 35%. But now if you look at the television industry, you will see that the profit margins there usually range from 10% to 15%. So by just comparing those figures, you see that it won't be worthwhile for Apple to go into the television industry. Last but not least, if you look at all Apple products, you see that their strength is on producing the best product in the market, with a lot of improvements on each and every version of their products. But if you look at the television industry, there is so little that you can do to make your product very unique so that people can buy more. So these are some of the reasons why Apple won't make any smart TV sets. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Bye for now, and see you on our next video.